All right, all right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Dr. Monica Johnson. I am super excited to have you guys on today. We're just going to wait a few minutes and wait for people to jump on. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Dr. Monica Johnson. I am super excited to have you guys on. We had some good results yesterday. Everybody should have hit their take profit. It was absolutely amazing. Go ahead and let your teammates know that we are on. We're about to make some money moves. We kind of changed our strategy a little bit. I changed it to catch 7 pips and time to split, okay? Because remember, we're on the Asian session. The market doesn't necessarily move as fast, but it is absolutely a great opportunity to, make some money on here. All right, all right. Let's get going. Let's put our eyes to the charts. Let's look at the news today. All right, this is Monday, March 12th. And let's go to our Forex factory. It looks like we had a little bit of things that went on in the news today. It looks like we had in Australia, a speaker to speak. So we know that that's going to push that market. So that's absolutely a pair where a currency that we want to keep our eyes on. That happened at 8:10 p.m. today. And that's on the Australian dollar. Then we had they had something to go on with their home loans. So that's a good sign. Excuse me, on the Australian dollar, okay? Okay, it looks like the US dollar at 2 o'clock today, we had a federal budget balance. So we know that, that dollar is going to be moving. So let's go put our eyes to the charts and we're going to look at USD AUD. That's USD AUD. Excuse me, that's USD AUD. So let's go ahead and type in our currency pair. There we go. The Australian dollar and the US dollar. Let's go look at our further perspective. We like to go back and look at the daily to see kind of, what's going on here. It looks like we had, a strong pull up here where it jumped. And then it looks like there is strong support and resistance going on here. And it looks like the market is going to go back up. We had a crossover that happened here. We'd like to see it kind of right there, but it looks like you can look at the histogram, and on the histogram you can see that it has, the lines are starting to move upwards. So that's another indicator that you can stack, because basically it is all about stacking indicators. You want to see that crossover. You want to see the histogram to see what direction it's going on in the Bollinger Band. Then we have the moving average line that'll actually show you. So let's go look at our hourly perspective, as you can see, we had some strong moves going here, and it looks like the market kind of went up. Okay. So it looks like we are in a bullish market here. A bullish market. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our 15-minute chart. That's the chart that we actually like to go in on. It looks like a crossover is just about to happen right here. And you see that candlestick is forming right here. So this is going to be a buy. Okay. So let's go to our MetaTrader 4. Go ahead and pull that up on our MetaTrader 4. And let's go ahead and lock in. We're on USD, AUD. Let's go ahead and I put in a new order. It's up to you. I hit the buy button. The lot size, that is absolutely up to you. What lot size you want to lock in. Okay, that's AUD, USD, AUD, USD. And you'll see a little bit of pullback on that. Okay, so we're going to go to our positioning tool. We're going to do a long position here. Let's see here. We're going to do a long position. That's representation of a bullish market. Okay, and let's look at what we locked in here. It looks like I was able to lock in 0.78760. And then we're going to put in our take profit at 7 pips. Remember to put that 0 behind there when it says ticks, and it will convert to pips, okay? Then we're going to go ahead and put in our stop loss at 100 and put that extra 0 there. And then we're going to press OK, okay? Here's our coordinates that you can see. So let's go to our MetaTrader 4. Let's go ahead and modify. I'm modifying and putting in that take profit and that stop loss, okay? You still have time to jump in because there's a pullback on that candle. And you know, you can wait for it to pull all the way back if you want to and then jump in. You know, you absolutely can do that, okay? But we're looking at that candlestick that's going to shoot right up there, okay? Let's go ahead and put in modify, and I'm putting in my take profit at 0.7883. Let's see. 0.7. That's 0.788. And then hit modify. And then I'm going to put in my stop loss, which is on the red line at 0.7776. And then I'm going to hit modify, okay? And this is a good time to jump in if you decide to, because there's a pullback on that candle, okay? And as you can see, it's pulling back and then it's going to go up, okay? We have a bullish market here, which I went into AUD, USD, a buy. And here's our coordinates here. Okay, the entry point that was locked in is here, but you can go ahead because it's going to go back up if you are just tuning in, if you're just jumping on and you want to know if that's still good, it is absolutely good, because you see that candle is pulling back. You're probably in a better position than when I locked in, because that candle is absolutely pulling back. And if you decide you want to go into it again, that's up to you, because that candle absolutely pulled back. So I jumped into it again. All right. And then I'm going to put in my, the second go round, I was able to lock in, because I like that pullback on that. The second go round, I was able to lock in 0.78740, okay? And then I press OK, and it'll change the coordinates, okay? So the second one, I locked in 0.78774. I'm going to go ahead and hit modify, and I'm going to type in my take profit at 0.7881. Then I'm going to hit modify. And I'm going to put in my stop loss at 0.7774 and hit modify. Okay, so I went into that one twice. Okay, it's your decision, it's your business, and that candle has pulled all the way back. So you're in a good position. If you just jumped on, that is a good position where you can jump in and take advantage of that pullback on that candle, because it's going to shoot right up. Okay, you see it's pulling all the way back, pulling all the way back. But this is your Fortune 500 company. It is up to you to decide, you know, what moves to make. It is up to you, okay? All right, okay. So those are the coordinates that we have there. All right. Okay, and now you just sit back and watch it. We are in the blue. The one that we just locked in went into the blue. Okay. And if yours hasn't yet, it's absolutely okay. Every trade goes in negative, okay? So be patient. Don't be alarmed. It's okay. We can't be emotional traders, okay? All right, if you have any questions at this time, go ahead and type it in the chat. Let me see if I can answer your questions. Let me see here. Hello, Alita. How you doing? Nice to see you on, Alita. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Treve. Hey, how are you? Tiara. Hey, how are you? T, nice to see you on. Yeah, we did pretty good on that trade yesterday, right? All right, yes. Andrea Dudley. Hello, how are you? Jeremiah, hello, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad to see you guys on. Let me see here. Thank you. Thank you for sending me the hearts and the thumbs up. Yes. All right. Hello, Barbara. Hi, how are you? Hello, Dixon. How are you? Brenda, hey, nice to see you guys today. All right, let me answer some of these questions. Okay, Pastor Fleming wants to know what's the stop loss again? Okay, we put in the stop loss at, it's right here on the screen at 0.7774. Okay, we had to put in the extra zero, and the computer will absolutely convert it into pips. So it's right there. That's your stop loss. Okay, Jessica wants to know what indicators are we using? We look at we do the crossover with the RSI and the MACD. Okay, that's one of the indicators. We look at the histogram. Okay, that's another indicator. We look at the Bollinger Band. That's the indicator. So basically, it's all about stacking indicators. Okay, then we're looking at our moving average. We look at our time frames. You want to go back on the daily to see what direction, because the further time frame you go, and I like to go back to the daily, you can tell what direction the market is moving. The histogram will also let you know what direction. And you see how the lines are going up, so you know it's about to be, the market is going up. So it's all about just stacking those indicators. Okay. All right. Hello, Kathy. How are you? Okay, let's see if we have Sandra. Hello. And there's a lot of indicators out there, but there's just a few that I absolutely love and I've become familiar with. So it's kind of good to use the same ones, because then you catch your eye for it. You can look right at the chart. If you're used to seeing those indicators, that's what you're looking for. Okay. Okay. Hi. My name is Comfort, means comfort. Yes, I love that. I love your name. Okay, let me see if I can answer some more questions. Amanda, hey, how you doing? She says you make trading look effortless. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know what? It's just about stacking the indicators, taking it slow. It's not an overnight thing, so just, take your time, don't give up, keep pushing. Okay, and keep looking at the charts, because it absolutely becomes familiar. The more you look at it, it doesn't look so foreign, and it's a skill that you grow over time and practice. Okay. Hello, George. He wants to know. He says he's in profit. Yes, yes, you're in profit. Yes, we're making money moves. Ruby, hello. She wants to know. Oh, Rudy, how are you? She wants to know, how often do you trade here? We do Sunday nights at 8 and Monday at 8. So join in with us. Jump on. Let's make money together, okay? Miss you too, Alita. I miss talking to you. You got to call me. Amir wants to know, can we look at AUDJPY? Yes, we'll look at that one. Okay, Amanda wants to know, do you do any trainings or other live trading sessions during the week? I will be scheduling a live training, okay? And I'll keep you posted on that, okay? Of when it's going to be. Inbox me. Where are you located? Let me know where you are located, okay? Kimberly says that she's late on. It's okay, it's okay. Hello, Heather. Hello, Jonathan. Nice to see you on. All right. Let's see.